points today. That is the worst single drop in its history. On Friday, the Dow dropped more than 600 points. The market has experienced a 6% drop in the last 6 days of trading. So what does that all mean to you and I? Well, San Diego State finance lecturer Seth Kaplowitz is here to explain it to us. Thank you for being here.
You're welcome.
Well, put this in perspective to me, for me and our viewers, on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being panic and 1 being no worries at all. Where should our concerns lie?
5.
And that's based on what?
This market's been overheated for a long time. A correction had to take place. Otherwise, the overheated part of the stock market would end up causing inflation, and then potentially, if that wasn't taken care of, that would lead to a recession.
So what goes up must come down, essentially.
Exactly. And so the timing of it doesn't really seem surprising.
And why is that? Why today? Because we've been seeing record-breaking, finishes on Wall Street for some time now, and certainly during the Trump presidency. So why today? Why now?
I think it's probably a combination of a number of different things. Not that any one of them was the trigger, but the new Fed chair was just put in place.
Is that a rough first day for him today, Jerome Powell?
Yes, but other Fed chairs have walked into some similar things. Greenspan walked into a pretty nasty situation when he came about. So that's not so unusual. But the fear of the interest rate hike taking place, and I caused the money to move. So I don't see it really as a big loss. I see the bigger players having moved the money from stocks into other more recession-proof type things like bonds that would yield higher interest rates.
So for the average person like myself and our viewers, and we have our 401ks and our IRAs, how concerned should we be, and what should our next move be?
If your 401ks are being managed by a professional, then you really don't have too much to worry about, because a lot of those stocks are traded automatically through the computer.
Right.
So if the algorithms are set up in such a way that when certain indicators take place, that they automatically move. So I think
So sit tight?
Absolutely. I would not panic. Right now, it's a combination of 6%. If it hits 10, maybe, then that would be a correction. If it goes higher, then I would start to worry.
Okay, well, we'll see what the psychological effect is tomorrow on Wall Street. We may have to give you a call back.
Tomorrow morning will be a good indicator to see what happens in Asia overnight.
All right, Seth Kaplowitz, thank you so much from SDSU. We appreciate it.
You're very welcome. Thank you.